My meth lab is done, Gary. Are you ready to get high with me today, buddy?
Try the new cheeseburger today. The new item available at Jack in the Box.
Alright, girls and gents, we're going back to Mercur. We're going for a third act. We're going to finish this. I don't know anything about the ghosts over there. I've only been there a few times. I don't know why I was there.
I like to let ghosts piss in my mouth. I like to let ghosts piss in my mouth. Yeah. I like to let ghosts piss in my mouth. And you will too if you come to my house. I like to let ghosts piss in my mouth. I like to let ghosts piss in my mouth. I like to let ghosts piss in my mouth. And you will too if you come to my house.
Fucking heard something over there. I hear a bunch of shit. Dude, I just heard some more shit.
We invite anybody and everything to gather around. Are you one of the bodies they found out here? You get shot?
Yeah, what was up with that? Jose Allen, or what was his name? Is this ghost out here too? Catwall's going off. Oh. That's interesting. Catwall's going off.
The sage.
Gather around. We'd like to hear your stories. Tell us your conversations. You probably haven't had anybody out here for a while.
Tell us the dumbest thing or whatever you want.
What's your most embarrassing story?
Smoker table. Snooker table.
What the fuck's a snooker table?
What's a snooker?
A snooker table.
Anybody in the comments, tell us what a snooker table is.
For documentation.
Please come back.
That hasn't gone off the whole fucking time. And it was right after the cat ball.
What's a snooker table?
And
Okay.
I got the tingles.
Me too. I just got him too.
Yeah, I got the chills.
My nipples are growing harder as we speak.
Alright, so it's the weed, dude, I'm telling you.
There you go. Yeah, you're right. Smoking weed.
Did you say retard?
Over.
Can you walk in front of that device again and make it go off?
Whoa. Good job.
Thank you.
What's your name? I know you probably told us.
Is that you, Jose?
If you come a little closer to this one, it'll make some cool sounds if you want to hit that.
Please don't be scared. We're not here to hurt anybody. We just want to talk.
Nice to talk.
You might. There's over 400 people out here. Yeah, there's 400 graves. The ball's going off. Is that you? Ann, is that you, Anna? Yeah, motion went off too.
It wasn't me yet. It could have been.
Anna, is that you? Can you make the... Can you make that noise happen again?
Amy. Amy.
Here's a song for Amy. Action.
It was probably me. I was just there.
Okay, now can you touch the... Can you touch the ball? We're the brightest fucking thing out here.
Watch your mouth. There's children around. Hey, can you walk in front of this gadget here, please? Ooh, hits. We're getting hits.
I'm close.
I see that. Right
Are you
here.
playing with the toys?
You can draw energy from this device here. See? It's a 20%. We're getting some hits over here, Guido.
We're getting a lot of stuff over here.
We're in the middle of nowhere.
Thank you again for letting us know you're here.
According to all known science,
1920s.
possible. What does it say?
120?
Is that what time it is? Is that what time
Probably,
it is?
no. No, it was barely 8 o'clock when we got out here. 8, 9 o'clock.
Guys, I think I see something in the middle of this trail.
Got 2% on my battery.
It says he's seeing something, but he has weird eyes.
Kind of
There's something over here. I hear it. It's coming towards me.
Punch it. Offer it a hand job.
Inspiring.
Ask it if it's thirsty. I kind of want.
Grandfather.
Is that your grandfather coming towards Guido? There's got to be adults. I kind of want to set one of these REM pods a little further.
Do it.
That way we
Saggers are
gotta.
behind us.
That way we gotta.
I don't know about venturing off too far because it's so fucking cold.
Yeah, I'm cool right here. We could just play with the graveyard.
It's so dangerous the further we go. And there's never any activity. Oh, it's going.
What?
It's going crazy. Can you hit it now? Can you hit it 2 times? 2 blinks.
Now we got one thing in each corner.
Can
I'm
you give me
coming
2?
back. I'm feeling intimidated.
What's
Do you guys
happening
hear
with
that?
you, Guido?
What?
I'm coming back. Something intimidated me over there. My hairs are standing.
My camera's focus is going crazy right now.
What did this say?
Why is my focus?
Cursed. You are inspiring.
What is that? There's 2 lights over there on the top of the mountain. They're moving.
Army base.
Neat.
I heard a bunch of floor sounds over there. Crunching, rocks, coming closer. And I think it was a creature.
How many of you are around us?
Liam.
Is your pod going off?
Here's a pink unicorn, or a purple one. Some toys over here.
Excellent.
Do you remember, Guido?
What? There's poop right here.
Yeah. Poop where?
Right here on this rock. This dirt feels weird. Dude, I'm already lost. Why does it look like it's this way when it's this way?
It's this way for sure.
Which way?
This way.
Anvil. The German band?
Horse tracks.
Yeah.
What?
Horse tracks.
Yep.
Could it be a horse or an actual horseman? Horse face man, perhaps.
With horse legs.
Truck tracks, dude.
A horse cock. All the benefits of a horse.
Full.
Sinful. Why? Because we're alive. I'm ready in kicking mode.
I'm already kicking.
Look at this interesting rock. Huh. This is a place of interest. Come here. I feel like something's over here. That rock almost tripped me. Are these just younger versions of the same tree?
I might have to change batteries soon. Can you help me? Oh, do you want us to help you? Almost there. Almost there. That one was battery 2. And I got battery 2 in the dirt. Oh well.
You heard that?
Yep. I'll change my battery.
Yeah, let's go. It's getting close.
Love.
Hide.
Let's go back to the grave.
It's kind of terrifying.
It's
close,
following us outside. I don't think we're going the right way.
Dude. It's in this different direction.
Let's get the fuck out of here, dude. This way.
You sure?
Fuck street.
It's this way.
Wait, come on. Let's at least get back to the graves. Oh, it's coming.
Yeah, it's right behind us.
There's the store. The bag's about to fall apart. Here, I'll fuck with this when I get back. Alright, let's regroup at the grave.
That's not a coyote, that's
Dude,
a
there was
wolf.
something that fucking snapped that branch.
My soda. Can't let the wolf have my soda. There's a wolf. Let's go. We don't fuck with wolves. They'll fucking eat a horse.
Are we leaving or are we gonna go over here?
Let's go.
You wanna leave?
I don't know. There's a wolf, yeah.
I got a knife.
Well, you know that wolf's gonna come here. There is a shapeshifter. Well, that's an interesting thing to take form of. Formless.
Dad.
Piss away from the graves.
Try to piss
Your
away.
hair.
I'm sad, your hair.
Try to piss away from the wind too. Because your scent's gonna get caught by that coyote.
We'll follow you all the way home and rip your balls off. Did you guys hear that?
Chased off by coyotes for the second time.
What is it?
What do you hear, Sensei Guido?
Well, something over there, and then now something over there.
No, fuck that. We've already been chased out of here by coyotes.
and hooved men. I'm sure he's not far at all. He sounded like he was right behind us.
Yeah, dude, he sounded like he was gaining traction.
He's like maybe 20 yards away.
Which is fast enough for a dog to rip my fucking calves off.
Here, I'll turn my head.
Let's go to the car. I'm freezing. My toes are numb.
Let's give it just a little bit longer.
My phone is about to die and it's not charging off my brick. Darn it.
I have a couple more.
A couple more bricks?
Yeah.
Charger bricks?
Yeah.
It might just be that this is dead because Jackie borrowed it to go to California. No, it's charging. I just can't see it. Stop the video.
What was that?
You heard that too?
Yeah, where did that come from?
The phone sound?
Oh, there's a mouse. Yeah, where did it come from?
Did you hear it?
Where did it come from?
That was the same thing we heard last time.
Yeah, it was. It was just above her head.
Yeah.
We got it on film this time.
Yeah.
Maybe it's a drone?
What the fuck?
That is so odd. Because I don't see anything.
It was traveling.
Yeah, it's like super fast.
Dude, my fucking... I'm freaking out.
Curtains burned.
What's it say?
My curtains burned and
Huh.
hung.
Is that what happened to your house? Curtain burned, caught on fire?
Burned, caught on fire, the whole town. All because of that. It's crazy.
He screams.
Can we hear him scream? Scream into that red light that's on the toys. Jasper, are you here?
What is up with that phone that flies around the graveyard? That's so weird.
It's the second time we've heard.
It was right next to me,
It
dude.
was like super fast. I heard it too.
Someone radared us.
So it was. We were like talking over it, but I heard it, and I was like, I barely heard it. I was like, did I hear that again?
It went beep, 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 beep. Like the busy signal.
Yeah, it gives me
The
an idea
busy
for a tattoo.
signal.
That'd be a cool tattoo, like a flying phone.
What?
You heard it. The internet busy signal sound.
What?
And around you.
That's such a strange noise too.
Are you the one that made that noise?
It's so
Julian.
weird. Why does it do that?
Children around you.
Julian?
Hey, will you go trick that motion? Make sure I turn it on.
It was making noises. Hey, there's a pair of glasses over here.
Velma Dinkley was here. She was thirsty.
Lizzie.
That wasn't Guido this time.
Yeah, I think sometimes it might set itself off right after it gets set off though. For the first time, I'm not
What's
sure.
the green light?
It just means it's rebooting. I don't know why it's rebooting. That's strange. So that first laugh means it's
Turn back on.
it's booting up, and then it does music box, and then it does the laugh. It's malfunctioning.
Did you just see the flashing in the sky?
Voices heard.
That thing might be dead, or it's malfunctioning for some reason, which is weird. Walk in front of it again, Guido.
KG's going off now. You stand next to me?
So, what the fuck? Weird. Yeah, it's rebooting itself.
Maybe it's cold.
Maybe, or it's more likely that batteries might be going dead because it was just getting set off all night the other night. Just leave it alone for now. It's probably dead batteries when we got the one in the lap. Yeah, order more batteries. It shouldn't be doing that.
Should we just turn it off? Is that you making the music do that?
Whoa. Something's fucking with that thing.
Are you playing with the music box?
It's probably the internet thing.
Sure.
Whatever's controlling the internet above us is fucking with this device.
AOL busy signal room. I keep hearing everywhere. What the heck, dude?
There's a mouse. He just ran under that.
Why is there always a mouse here? Where is he?
Intelligent.
He
It's an
went
intelligent
under this rock.
mouse.
He's coming this way.
We're gonna say goodbye.
Yeah, I guess it's time to say goodbye.
Thanks for having us.
Oh, you have some stuff tonight?
Yeah.
You gave us a decent amount of stuff to let us know you're here.
The internet tripped us out
Yeah, we heard the freaking internet drone, dude. I gotta go back
at
and listen to that.
at nighttime. It was
Just
around
happened just barely, right?
an hour and 30 minutes in.
Because mine stopped 3 times. So
Father.
Father again.
This one's been recording the whole way. We're almost 2 hours in.
That sounds like paw prints.
Let's go. We don't need to get chased out. Let's get out while we can.
Oh, there goes the K2. Is that you walking? Can you make the light go to red if that's you?
I just saw a red blink over there.
Me too.
Swear to God.
Me too.
Right there. Like a quick red blink.
I thought it was in my head, but you saw it too.
Move back.
It's been moving around.
It was so faint, but I saw it.
It's probably the dog's eyes.
Yeah, probably. Let's go.
Yeah, let's go. There's a box right here. The fuck? Where's it coming from?
Oh my God, dude. You heard that? Let's go.
Dude, that was coming from me.
Yeah, it sounded like it came from my back.
It sounded like it came from my phone.
Yeah, it was
Protect you.
very strange.
Oh, they keep recording you in the pack.
Can you feel me?
Dude, I'm feeling a lot of stuff. I just saw a blue light over there.
Yeah, I'm getting to it.
Crazy, dude. That one's so loud.
It was right next to
I
me.
know.
It was inside of me.
It sounded like it moved so fast that I couldn't tell what it was, but it was close.
It was in me. It was coming out of my pocket. It was coming out of me.
Dude, I literally thought it was like my spirit box.
Okay,
Doing some weird shit.
let's get out of here.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Time to go.
Man, that was so crazy.
Well, that's not even paranormal, so what the fuck is it?
It could be, dude, because, dude, they manipulate electronics and do weird shit like that, dude. Man, dude, what the fuck is that?
Remember to keep your ears and eyes open because shadows always chase us out and there's a wolf out here.
Dude, it's so crazy.
It was coming from inside me. Maybe we have cancer now. They gave us cancer. Where was that sound? I wasn't ready for it either time.
1:30?
I wasn't ready.
And it came from inside of me, man. I felt it going through I felt it vibrating through in my flesh. Fucking weird.
They scanned us down in Mercur. It sounded just like a phone. We were running from the wolves. We were talking to the bones. Mercur, the haunted place. The dead can talk to you in this space. Mercur, just up the hill. No one would find you if you were killed. he's not okay. Flying telephone made him afraid. We came here looking for answers, but I think the drone gave us cancer. Mercur, the haunted place. The dead can talk to you in this space. Mercur, just up the hill. No one would find you if you were killed.